Hello, my young lads, it's your boy Benjamin here with another legit water review. So, as you can see here in the package, I got some water. It's really cold outside right now. You can see the ice is melt. The ice is melt. So, I have the thing. Let's put it on the trash. And some MLG. You can see water frozen, eh? Pretty good. You can do that too. And give the grass some water. Yeah, you can also give yourself some water too. That's a win-win for everyone. Now, as you can maybe see, it's also good for drinking. So how it tastes? It tastes like water. And that's really important for water to taste like water. So I would rate it 69 water bottles out of 12. That's how good I think it is. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a small thumbs up, but if you really liked it, you could leave a big thumbs up. And you might also subscribe to the video. My hands are fucking freezing. It's too cold. It's like -6 degrees. But you know, the suka bleed in me has to do some shit. So let me put on my gloves, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later. Peace out. Okay. Nothing happening here. I'm fucking hungry. Oh shit, you're still here. I thought you all left. Well, here's some sneak peek into the next video. Sneak peek. I'm going to review. Where is it? It's right here. Hold up. It is bread. Okay, I'm gonna review bread in the next video. So sneak peek. Bread with cheese. I don't know yet, but so if you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Peace out. I can. Peace out, fools.